welcome back to my channel. Today was a rough one to say the least. I kept losing these fish at the boat. But today was a better day than yesterday. Yesterday I caught nada. It has been so hot. It's been like 3 days of over 30 degrees. Well, 30 degrees plus the humidex. So it has been very hot. And then added, there has been no wind. So like, as you can see here, the water is still as anything. It's 9:15 now, and it has been like this all morning. And I think it's gonna be like this for the rest of the day. So those fish are really tucked in to shady spots. Most of the fish that I caught were under branches, tucked in underneath there. Early in the morning, I found some in pockets in the pads. But yeah, tough fishing because it's so hot and stagnant. I can't get over the water, how still it is. It's gonna be a hot one today, so I'm just headed back to the launch before I give myself some heat stroke. So better than yesterday, but just kept losing them today. Oh well, I am grateful for another day out on the water, and it's a good day when you go home with a bass thumb. So. A little guy. Healthy chunk. A little chunky. Little belly on him. First one in the morning. Oh my goodness. Oh, that was a good hit. Oh, come here. Oh, dang it. Dang. Oh, he took it. Feisty. I'm not this guy. Are you kidding? Oh, he's a good one. Oh, you stay on. Yes! Yes! Oh. Oh. Right up under that tree. Oh. Spunky. You are spunky. Oh. Just came out. Not as big as I thought. Healthy chunk. Oh my. A little rock bass. I knew there had to be one under that dock. I knew it. Little gaffer.